Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 6th. Market analysis. Last week, with the signs of easing of the trade war, the market risk aversion declined. After the spot gold market closed for the second week in a row, the geopolitical conflict escalated again over the weekend, and the demand for risk aversion returned. The spot gold market returned to above $3,300 per ounce at the opening of this week. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market surged again, reaching a maximum of $3,386.96 per ounce, and currently trading at around $3,355 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations between all parties and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.52 to $33.87, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,387 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.97 to $34.07. If the afternoon market breaks 3,352 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.42 to $33.32. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1280 to 1.1327. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1327 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1367 to 1.1400. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1280 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1230 to 1.1200. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3260 to 1.3305. If the market breaks 1.3305 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3360 to 1.3400. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3260 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3220 to 1.3170. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6443 to 0.6471. If the market breaks 0.6471 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6490 to 0.6530. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6443 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6400 to 0.6370. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 143.54 to 144.27. If the market breaks 144.27 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.80 to 145.30. If the afternoon market breaks 143.54 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.70 to 142.20. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.